Okay, now I kind of have the flowers placed where I want them. And I'm trying to get all this stuff where I'm used to doing it, but so that it can be seen too. Maybe that'll do good enough. And I take a stylus. This one just happens to have more of a little, I call it like a ballpoint end. And then this one is one of the little round tips. And I very carefully touch into the glue, put it right where I want it, and then just press that center. And it doesn't take usually more than just a few seconds, and it grabs. And that way I can control the exact amount of glue and kind of get my shaping just right of where I want each flower. And these flowers were painted using the Color Burst watercolors, and it was 2 layers, the larger orange piece and then the tiny little yellow center. And then I used a piece of craft foam. It's a thicker craft foam, and I kind of used it like a molding mat and give each one of the flower petals some shape. And then when I glued the centers into them, this exact same way, doing the same thing, getting the center lined up in there and just pressing it into place. And then once they were all glued down, they're pretty much there. They're not going anywhere. And then I don't have to worry about a lot of excess glue, and it kind of controls where everything is at. Okay, so there are all my flowers in place, and then the hummingbird, I'll just add some glue to the back of him. And I decided I didn't want to raise him up for him to be dimensional. I just wanted to glue him flat on the surface. I thought about both, but I really decided I wanted him kind of like this. And I decided to offset him up just a little bit more because I decided that I wanted to do a little die-cut word sentiment to go right here. And I'm going to color that and then add it onto the card, and then it will be all done. And then my little flowers and my little hummingbird can just feed to his heart's content. So that's how I did this card. Bye, y'all.